Hi. We're gonna get lost, and when we do, I'll tell y'all about it. Alright, so this is Steven. Say hi, Steven. This is Crusty AB. This is even crustier, Mid. Why you look so sad? Right. And then y'all know me. Hey.
There's something about the way that you understand.
Wait, I thought we were gonna enter at the sign that says "Welcome to Chinatown."
It's only if you drive me.
Oh, persimmons, but they're rotten.
Alright.
Ooh, good persimmons.
How much? No,
5 for 5? They're 5 for 5. Do you know how much they cost at home? $5. Oh,
Okay.
we came to Chinatown to get some herbs or whatever, and honestly I am pretty excited because I just saw persimmons are 5 for 5. Do you know at home they're like, how much are persimmons at home? Like 2 for 5. That's amazing. So on my way back I need some persimmons for my house. Okay, but here we are in search of some herbs. I have some in mind that I am looking for. For example, we're gonna cross the street first so I don't die. We're dying!
It turned green, right?
Thanks, Steven. Steven tried to kill us. So yeah, but I want to look for, what's on my list? Mullein, ashwagandha, rosehip maybe? What else was on my list? I don't know. I have other things on my list, but I don't remember what they are that I want. You guys know of any herbs you're looking for?
No, I don't know anything about herbs.
You use them daily.
All I know is I have tea. Lipton tea.
That's how you know she's not like, that's the worst tea to drink.
That's kind of good tea. Okay, we can go now.
I hate Lipton.
Yes.
It just, it's me.
I actually like green tea.
Lipton is black.
Green tea?
Lipton is black tea.
There's black tea, there's other teas.
Let's see how much their persimmons are. Do they have persimmons? Ooh, what? Ooh, passion fruit. This, oh my gosh. Ooh. Excuse me.
Hi.
What kind of fruit is this?
That's a durian.
A what? Durian. That's cool.
Yeah.
Thank you. So we're just gonna. Is this made with Himalayan salt? They're gonna probably get. If you guys lose me, cause I get distracted easily. Okay?
No, you're good.
Yeah, but
You're in charge of your money.
I'm gonna get lost easily. I get excited all these things, you know?
What was that?
So this is the place we are going to. The first one, the herbal dispensary in Chinatown. Excuse me, I was Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Yeah, do you mind? Okay.
Just don't put my face in.
You won't be in it, just your products will be. So do you have any of these listed items?
We have donkwai, tea tree, milk thistle, ashwagandha. This is all we have.
That's it? Cool, can I see it? I've never seen it before.
So
Yo, you gotta like talk. You gotta talk for the vlog. You gotta like say something. You guys are in a herb shop? It's buttons. Why you keep making fun of me, Loisa? You gotta cut this from the vlog. Okay, go. How was the New York train?
I kind of smell like someone else.
How was the New York train?
Damn.
But it's not any.
Okay, so my first. So it's herbs, guys, not herbs. Yeah, that's what I said too, but I asked him. I'm like, so is it herbs or herbs? He said herbs.
The H is silent.
Why is it there then? Somebody explain that to me.
I don't think the H is silent. It's more like a J.
What?
J.
You know how the H is silent?
No, it's not.
Oh, it's J.
J is silent with H. That is racist.
All right, back to my. So, on my first store trip, I got Don Quay, licorice, and motherworth, which is all from my menstrual, because I literally am trying everything with my menstrual. So I'm just gonna combine those three together when I make my tea, aka soup. That's what they call them. I only spent $5.50. I love this place. Okay, bye. They don't think I'm not from around here.
We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plan. You say pace yourself, slow it down.
Press it. I dare you. Press it. Lift it. Lift it. Lift it. I double dog dare you. Are you gonna do it?
Role model.
I thought that was a pretty good one.
Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. There's something about the way you talk with your hand. The way that you say my name when nobody's there. No, no. You say it's alright. Take your space if you need a break. And if I need to disconnect, that's okay. This ain't no race. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. Oh, oh. Killing time. Nashville, and now I share this bed with with someone new. Something's in the way the sunlight's hitting. It's got me thinking about you.
Huh? The light? Oh!
In the short cold days, all the rain that the planets change.
Why do they look like they're dying? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you alright? Do you want to talk about it? Poor thing.
Easy on the eyes, but no way that we'd survive. We were wilted, we were weathered, couldn't make it to September. Maybe it's the long nights and the short cold days, or the rate that the planets change position. Maybe everything just has a time and place, and that's why you and I are out of season.
It smells like.
It's not down still. Can I sit on it?
Yeah. Just don't stand on it.
Amazing.
To pick up.
Thank you so much. I love this. We'll be back.
Okay.
Oh, we can sit.
Hi, how are you? I have a couple things in mind, but I don't know if you have them.
Okay, well, why don't you tell me? Unless you want me to guess.
Guess.
No.
Oh,
nothing's
darn
there.
it. Okay.
You might need some brain tea to
help me out?
Pump out a little more.
I want. Do you have Moline
Moline.
for respiratory?
Yes.
You do?
Yes, we do. Natalie, we have Moline.
You have. Move out the man's way.
Right here.
Sit on these little stools. Baby stools.
How about that?
Organic molar leaf. Remedy for infection, elbow, bacterial fight infection, and get rid of mucus.
And another thing that's good for respiratory stuff, and it's also good for mental health, is OSHA.
I haven't heard that one.
OSHA is lovage. So lovage is a fruit that bears eat when they first get out of hibernation because it gives them energy. They noticed that it increased nuzzling behavior, healthy lungs, respiratory support.
Yep.
It increased nuzzling behavior. They studied it and they recognized that it increased oxytocin, which is that binding chemical. So not only do you get your lungs cleaned out,
Milk thistle. Sorry.
what?
Milk thistle.
Milk thistle? You have the extract because it's more potent.
Yeah.
Most people take it for health.
And how much do this go for? How much was the
Well, it's $10 an ounce. This one is, where's the one?
right here? You put it.
$4 an ounce.
Okay.
So an ounce usually, well, if it really varies.
Yeah.
Teaspoon.
You weigh them.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's 2 years younger.
So this is we have 2 ounce minimum of stuff that's under $7.
Okay. You said how much?
Under $7. It's $2
$2.
ounce minimum.
Okay. What else was I gonna get? What else was on my list? Ashwagandha?
Of course.
Oh,
It's one of our favorite things. My favorite things.
your favorite?
These are a few of my favorite things.
This one.
There it is.
Yeah. Tone for cause I look ugly. You see these right here? They gotta go.
Tell the lady here. I think she's going to suggest 2 things. One is
acne?
I don't know, girl. I don't know. I'm dying.
I would suggest
Aren't we all?
Slowly but surely.
usually with face stuff comes out of your skin because your liver is clogged. So
That's why I wanted the milk thistle.
blood cleanse.
Or not.
Yeah, but this does. Yeah, we have this in a powder that's kind of.
I like
Badanga.
stuff.
No, it's Mangista.
Magista.
The main ingredient is Mangista, which cleanses your blood.
Here's the
It
propaganda
might,
on that.
there's a slight possibility you could make your period a little bit heavier.
I do have menstrual problems. As in endometriosis.
This
It
isn't
won't.
gonna add this won't add your problems, but if you have menstrual problems, I would suggest endometriosis. We've had good success with Shilajit, some of our clients.
Oh, and it's a powder. So how would you recommend?
1 teaspoon in some hot water, and then
That's it.
it's not easy to dissolve. So
Oh, you just gotta chug. Oof.
Like orange peel.
Oh yeah, those orange.
Orange peel, yeah, that's what it reminded me of, orange peel. Can you try the mango coconut?
So is it like recommended?
Sure.
Okay, when I drink my teas, I might be overdoing it, but is it better to drink in smaller
Orange chocolate.
portions?
Well, just like, what kind of plate?
So what do I have at home? See, the thing is, they're all like Haitian teas. Like I got from Haiti. Different herbs I got from Haiti, and then I make tea out of that.
I can't tell you that because I don't know what you're.
Yeah, it doesn't help because I don't know the names to translate them to you. So yeah. Okay, so I'm looking into this. And what was the other one? Maline. Okay. I want to smell too. Ooh, that kind of smell chocolate cake. Ooh.
Yes, you have to get this.
This store is a little bit more pricey, but with the Maline.
Perfect for
Yeah, because you see how I keep spitting up stuff?
Yeah.
I'm still having hot flashes. I think I'm dying.
Alright, so you want this one.
Like literally.
Yeah, like for sure.
Huh?
Did you have the paper? For sure.
Oh, I never
And then,
checked.
Whatever you had in your hand right now? Yes, for sure. We're getting that one.
And that was a success. Now I will go get food. Ah! So sorry, but can we go in here? Things like this excite me.
Maybe it's the long nights and the short cold days, or the rate that the planets change position. Or maybe everything just has the time